In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use papaya to make face mask for acne. Fruits are very good source of nutrient and vitamin. As we all know, they're very good in reducing blemishes and and tightening the pores. They make the skin supple and lessen the occurrence of breakouts. So here's what you need to make your own papaya face mask. Note this one is for home use only, not for those selling it, because fruits cannot, you can't depend on it to sell in the market. So what you need 2 tablespoons of full fat yogurt. Yogurt with high fat content. Then you're going to this is like something you take at home, so it's just any yogurt that you have, creamy one, don't forget, 2 tablespoons. If you want more, you can use 4 tablespoons. Then you're going to need half teaspoon of honey. Then you're going to need a handful of papaya that you already have at home. Just cut a bit and let it be handful, and mashed one. Then you're going to need a half tablespoon of milk cream. You're going to need half a teaspoon of lemon juice. First, this is what you're going to do. They're going to mash the papaya cubes into a smooth paste. If you have papaya powder, you can use 0.5 gram. So if you don't have fresh papaya, you can use papaya powder. But fresh papaya will do well for this particular face mask. Then you're going to add the honey and the yogurt. If you have dry skin, use milk cream. Okay, but if your skin is oily, you're going to add the lemon juice and skip the milk cream. So we have 2 options here. For dry skin, you can use the milk cream because you need moisture, and this is going to give you moisture. But for oily skin, you don't want more oil on your face. Okay, you're going to use the lemon juice and skip the milk cream. You're going to apply the mixture. You mix everything together. Okay, then you're going to apply the mixture on your face and leave it for at least 15 to 17 minutes depending on your skin type. If your skin type is dry, don't leave it on for more than 10 minutes. If you have oily skin, you can leave it as much as 25 minutes also. So after that, you're going to wash it off and pat your face dry. Try this twice every week. Very, very good, but just make sure you space the date. Also, if you want a stronger, more together face scrub, just add a bit of oatmeal if you have one. If you don't have oatmeal at home, you can add any face mask, any clay you have. Whether you have kaolin clay, any clay that you have at home, you have a Fuller's Art, you have olive or Australian, any clay that you have, just make sure you add it. Even if you have activated charcoal, you can add a pinch. So that's going to make your scrub stronger, and it's going to let it stay on the skin more. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this face mask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural head video. That's what we do here. We take care of the skin, take care of the body with all natural product that can be in the kitchen, all natural ingredients that are in the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching.